In this video, we're going to show you how to take a 3-handle tub and shower valve and convert it into a single-handle tub and shower valve. This would also apply to any 2-handle tub and shower valve. The procedures are basically the same. Let's start by removing the tub and shower handles. Now that we have the water off, let's remove any existing water that may be in the tub and shower valve itself. In some cases, the handle may become very difficult to take off. So what we're going to do here is we're just going to break it off. Now let's remove the escutcheons. You may know it as the tub and shower trims. Now let's remove the tub spout. In most cases, the tub spout just needs to be turned. This one here appears to be barely on there. So I'd say that we're catching this tub and shower valve at the right time. What we're doing here is we're just giving you a closer view of the tub and shower valve stems. What you may see once you remove your handles. Okay, now we're here on the back side of the tub and shower valve. This is what it looks like. This is what you'll see once you remove any wall or any panel that has to be removed from the back side. Yours may look just fairly a little different. Well, anyway, what we're going to do here is we're going to disconnect the unions that are connecting the tub and shower valve to the hot and cold water.